सके। आप अपनी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर जियो न्यूज़ के ये एक्सक्लूसिव मनाजिर देख सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर वाज़े तौर पर आप देख रहे हैं कि इमदादी कार्रवाइयाँ जारी हैं। आसपास जो इमारतें हैं उन्हें भी नुकसान पहुंचा है इन धमाकों के नतीजे के अंदर, जबकि मुतादिद गाड़ियाँ भी मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह हो गई हैं। लोगों का आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यहाँ पर हजूम बढ़ता जा रहा है, लेकिन क्योंकि इलाके को मुकम्मल तौर पर सील कर दिया गया है, बाजार के अंदर ये ट्रेनिंग सेंटर वाक़ था, बाजार को बंद कर दिया गया है, इलाके को कार्डन ऑफ कर दिया गया है ताकि कोई आगे ना आ सके और जो कार्रवाई है, जो इमदादी कार्रवाइयाँ हैं वो सही तरीके से हो सके, मलबा हटाया जा सके वहाँ अगर, और ये देखा जा सके कि मलबे के नीचे अगर लोग दबे हैं, अगर एहलकार हैं तो
move into a certain area, and after that another suicide bomber came close to them and exploded them himself, whereas 68 most of these injured are being put into and rushed to the nearby hospital so that immediate treatment to them is given. Otherwise they can be utter chaos over here, and it is feared that there would be rise in the casualty figures.
And has anybody been arrested, Iftikhar? Do you have any news from security officials? Has anybody taken responsibility for these blasts yet, or has anybody been arrested?
What seems to be evidently clear in this area, so far nobody has claimed responsibility, but it is speculated by the authorities that it is the same faction of Tehreek-e-Taliban which is responsible in Shab Qadr Moment Agency and through the rest of the country that carries out such kind of attacks, because it's not the first attack on security forces or any government institution in this area. Previously, on the same route towards Moment Agency, the APA's office has been targeted, the political agent's office has been targeted, even in the specific zone, a large number of police stations have also been targeted. So it is speculated that it's the same group that is involved in these attacks.
Right, thank you very much for giving us those updates, Iftikhar. We'll come back to you for more updates as soon as you have them.
As a result of these two explosions, whereas more than 70 people have been injured, there are